what was their last survey of last election? Ask them that, first question. Secondly, there is one fellow who is the employee of one of the candidates. Okay? And overall, this is done sitting in a AC room with pegs. With pegs. This is my statement for them. Otherwise, I will challenge them, any four of them, come and sit for the election against me and get elected and sit.
So you are confident, sir?
110%.
तर तुमचं दिसतं की हे सर्वे काढतात ते
फोकाणार
लोकांची
सगळी
मना
सगळी फोकाणा आय विल टेल यू अजून 3 महिने आहा 4 महिने आहा इलेक्शना हे कितें मरे सगळे इलेक्शन काल दिगंबरान कितें म्हणला जाणा तुम्ही विटामीन
Vitamin M.
ही विटामिनाची सर्वे
No, but sir, last time the Michael Lobo had given the bite. He said ki we have done survey and his wife is in the first this thing. So what do you like
See,
to say
that
about
is his
thing?
saying. That is his saying. You all asked me about this survey conducted by Prudent. So I am replying to that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Welcome.